Hi, this is Russ with ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're finishing up a two-car in Palm Harbor with baseboards. So this was a full grinding. Previous coating on here that we ground off. And we did a final grinding. All the details along the baseboards and the fixtures. This color is Domino, which is really just a simple blend of black, white, and gray. Reflects a lot of light back up, so it's nice and bright. So we just finished putting a polyaspartic top coat on here, which is very durable and UV resistant. So these baseboards were ground as well. Repair is done. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.